Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Okay. Look for Heisenberg uncertainty principle. What is Heisenberg uncertainty principle? It is all valid for microscopic particle. Microscopic particle. For any microscopic particle, exact positions, exact position, exact position, and exact momentum determination will be difficult. Will be difficult simultaneously. Okay, so you can determine either exact positions perfectly or exact momentum. Any not two. These two simultaneously determinations of exact positions and determination of exact momentum simultaneously is not possible for Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Heisenberg uncertainty principle tells about the microscopic particle, and for any microscopic particle, exact position and exact momentum determination at a particular time and particular point determination will be very very difficult. If you can understand, if you can identify exact position, then momentum value determination will be not possible. If you can determine the momentum value, position is not possible. Okay, this is Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So just write it down. What is Heisenberg uncertainty principle? According to this principle, the position and momentum of a moving microscopic particle moving microscopic particle cannot be accurately determined is not possible. Okay, so exact position and momentum determination for any microscopic particle at a particular accurately determination simultaneously is not possible, okay. So if we try to calculate the accurate value of one quantity, then error will occur the other. Error will occur in the other one. And vice versa. Okay. Any doubt regarding this part? Any doubt regarding this part? Okay. Now look, what is the mathematical expressions? Just write it down, all the stuff. What will be the mathematical expression? Mathematical expression is del x into del p greater than h by 4 pi. Now what is del x? Del x represent uncertainty in position. del P, uncertainty in momentum. H is Planck constant. Which value is 6.626. You all know that the value 10 to the minus 34 joule into second. Okay. Now del P, can I write del P equals to m del V? Just put the value here. So the equation becomes del X m del V h by 4 pi. What is del V? Del V is uncertainty in velocity. Okay. Del V is uncertainty in velocity. Any doubt up to that part? Any doubt? Now look, this part we can change. Remember h cut. This is called h cut. What is the value of h cut? H cut equals to h by 2 pi. Now, can I write this equation like this way? Del x m del v h cut by 2. Okay. In these three equations, this 2 is very important. H cut theory is not required. H cut theory is not required. Okay. In some cases, uncertainty in position can be determined as, can be written as error in position. Both are same. This is also called error in momentum. Okay. Clear? And if you write down this equation with respect to energy and time, del E into del T, you can write h by 4 pi. H by 4 pi. What is del E? Del E is uncertainty in energy. In energy. Del T is uncertainty in time. Okay. Still, this two formula is very important. Any doubt regarding this part? Up to that part, any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Please tell me. Up to that one is clear? Okay, just write it down. Then third one. Suppose in this is a one question, if del x equals to del p, what will be the value of del p? Look, what is given del x and del p. Then you have to start with this equation. Remember, if this two is given del x equals to del p, then I have to start with this equation. Here del x and del p, both the term is associated. So can I write del x equals to del p h by 4 pi? Now del x equals to del p, del x into del p. This is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle formula. Now in your questions, del x equals to del p is given. Just put the value of del p instead of del x. So we get del p square h by 4 pi. Now what is del p? Del p equals to m del v. Now why m is not taken as a del? Why m is not taken as a del m? Because mass is always fixed. Mass is always fixed. Okay. So can I write in this case m del v square equals to h by 4 pi. So del v square, can I write h by 4 pi m square. Now what is the value of del v? Del v equals to 1 by 2m root over of h by pi. Is it clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? This part is clear, and this is a very important question. Okay. Now another thing is given. Suppose in your question that is given del x equals to del v. What is the value of del p? You have to find out that what is the value of del p. Now look. Okay, try to solve it. Remember one thing, del x and del v is given. Del x equals to del v is given. So del x and del v term associated in this formula. So try from, let's start with this formula. Okay, just solve it. I'll give you 3 minutes for that. Try to solve it. Completed. Tell me the value. Okay, start from this formula. Del x m del v h by 4 pi. This is the main formula. Okay. Now look, del x equals to del v. So put the value del v here instead of del x. M del v. Now multiplied by m. In left hand side, just multiplied by m. So this becomes m square del v square. So m square del v square is basically del p whole square. Oh, in this case, you have to multiply it by m. Look, left hand side, I am just multiplying by m. That's why I am in right hand side, I have multiplying by m. So this becomes in left hand side, it becomes mv whole square. Basically, m square del v square means m del v whole square. Now, m del v whole square, can I write del p square? And this one is hm 4 pi. So what is the value of del m? Del m value, what is the value of del p? Del p value is basically 1 by 2 root over of h m by pi. Okay. Any
Okay,
doubt?
sir.
Do you have any doubt regarding this part? This part is clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now third one. Third one is what I am telling you. What is del? What is Heisenberg uncertainty principle? Heisenberg uncertainty principle tells about only one value. Measurement of accurate value of only one, either del x or del p can possible. So if del x value is definitely accurate, then del p should be inaccurate. Okay, first point. Second point, if del x value is inaccurate, so del p value should be accurate. Suppose if del x value is 0, what is the value of del p? Tell me. If del x value is given as 0, what is the value of del p? If del x value is 0, del p becomes infinity. Same, if del p value is 0, del x becomes infinity. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now from the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, you can easily proved electron cannot exist in the nucleus. From Heisenberg, fourth point, from Heisenberg uncertainty principle, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, it can easily proved. Easily proved electron cannot exist in the nucleus. Okay, now look, why we all know that what is the radius of nucleus. Radius of nucleus is 10 to the power minus 15 meter, that I already told you. So radius of nucleus is 10 to the minus 15. So del x value should be 10 to the minus 15, because if electron is present in the nucleus, if electron is present in the nucleus, del x is basically nothing but radius of nucleus. Radius of nucleus. So this value is 10 to the minus 15 meter. Now look, if this value is 10 to the minus 15 meter, just put del x into m del v h by 4 pi. Now you have to find out del v here. Del v can I write? H by 4 pi m into del x. Now what is the value of h? 6.6 into 10 to the minus 34. Pi value is 3.14. M value is 9.1 into 10 to the minus 31. And x value is 10 to the minus 15. Just calculate. This one is 2. So 1 by 18, 18.2, 10 to the minus 34, 31 plus 15. Okay, so after calculation, I think this becomes 0.05, near about 0.05 into 10 to the power 12. So can I write, after calculation, this value becomes 5 into 10 to the power 10 meter per second. Now 5 into 10 to the power 10 meter per second, this value is basically greater than the velocity of light. Now we all know that the velocity of light is the highest maximum speed. So more than more than this value means we all know that c is the velocity of light, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now this value is greater than this one. Is it possible? It is not possible, because we all know that c is the maximum speed of any microscopic particle. Okay, c is the maximum speed of any microscopic particle. So if from here we can tell that if electron present in the nucleus, velocity of electron becomes greater than speed of light. Speed of light, which is not possible. Okay, any doubt regarding this part? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so why electron cannot exist in the nucleus? Because if electron exists in the nucleus, then the speed of electron becomes, or speed of electron becomes greater than velocity of light, which is not possible, because we all know that velocity of light is the maximum speed of any microscopic particles. Okay, so I'll give you one question. I am solving this one. After that you have to solve all the stuff. First questions, this is again mathematics. Just write down the formula. Del x del p, these two formula is required, nothing else. And del x m del v, these two formula is required for math, nothing else. So first question is, an electron has a speed of 4 into 10 to the power 5 meter per second. If its velocity is accurate up to 10%, then calculate the uncertainty in position of electron. Position of electron. Solve it. Look, in this case, velocity accurate up to 10%. That means what is the value of v? Look, maximum speed is given 4 into 10 to the power 5 meter. Now, velocity accurate up to 10% means suppose your speed is 100 meter per second, but you are going basically 10% of the speed. So what is your exact speed? 100, 10 into 100. So your exact speed is 10 meter per second now. Okay, your maximum speed is 100 meter per second, but you are moving actually 10% of your maximum speed. So what is your exact speed now? That is 10 meter per second. Similarly, electron speed is 4 into 10 to the 5 meter per second. Electron is moving accurate up to 10%, means at present speed of electron is 10% of its maximum. Okay, so the velocity value is 4 into 10 to the power 4 meter per second. Any doubt regarding this part? Velocity accurate up to 10% means if some microscopic particle having certain speed, this is a maximum speed, it is moving velocity, it is moving 10% accuracy. That means at present the speed is 10% of its maximum speed. Any doubt regarding this part? Del value part is clear, and we all know that del m, sorry, m is mass of electron 9.1 into 10 to the minus 31 kg. So you have to find out. So which formula is required? This one. Del x into m del v h by 4 pi. So what is the value of del x? H by 4 pi into m into del v. Just put the value 6.6 into 10 to the minus 34. 4 into 3.14. Now 3.14 and 6.6 nearer equals to 2 or 2.1. 9.1 into 10 to the minus 31, and velocity is 4 into 10 to the power 4. So it becomes 2 into 9, 18 into 4, 1 by 72. 10 to the minus 34 plus 31 minus 4. Okay. Is it clear? Any doubt regarding this part? Do you have any doubt regarding this part?
No, sir.
Now 1 by 72, just calculate, this becomes 0.0138 into 10 to the power minus 1. Sorry, 10 to the minus 4. Just a minute. 34, 38, 10 to the minus 7. Okay. Now when you remove the point, this to this, it becomes 1.38, 10 to the power minus 9. Is it clear? This is the exact answer of this question. Any doubt? This part is clear. So I am giving you some questions. Just try to solve it. Question number 2. Okay. Uncertainty in position. Del X value is given 0.1 angstrom for an electron. Calculate del V. Solve it quickly. I'll give you 3 minutes for that.
Sir, can you tell me what you wrote? I couldn't see. Like
This one?
I didn't. Yes, sir. The question.
The 0.1 angstrom. Del X value is given 0.1 angstrom for an electron. Okay. You have to calculate del V. So which formula is
Okay,
required?
sir.
Del X m del V h by 4 pi.
H by 4 pi.
Okay. Now m is, what is m? Electron is given, mass of electron you have to remember. Solve it quickly.
Sir, do we have to solve it with pi also?
Definitely.
Okay, sir.
Pi value is just write down 3.14. Del V.
Sir, isn't it supposed to be delta x? Yes. Okay.
4 into 3.14. 0.1 Armstrong. Armstrong, you have to convert it to meter. So when you convert it to meter, it becomes 10 to the power minus 10. Okay, just remove this point. So the value is basically 2. So 1 by 18, 10 to the power minus 34 plus 1 plus 31 plus 10. So 1 by 18 is basically point near about 0.05 into 10 to the power minus 3, just a minute, 40 minus 8, sorry, plus 8. Okay, when this value changes, it becomes 5 into 10 to the power 8, 5 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Any doubt regarding this part? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, question is clear. Okay, then I'll give you another question, similar type of questions. Question number 3. Okay. In an atom, an electron is moving with a speed of 600 meter per second with an accuracy of 0.005%. Okay, calculate uncertainty in position of an electron. Uncertainty in position of an electron. Solve it.
Sir, how do we solve this?
Just I already told you na this one, this formula. Okay, accurate up to point some percentage means what is the speed of electron? Speed means velocity of electron is 600 meter per second. This is a maximum speed. Now electron is traveling basically the 0.005% of its maximum speed. Accuracy means it is traveling up to this speed. So what is the exact velocity now? This percentage means you have to divide by 100. Just remove this one. The value is 1000. So it becomes 30 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, so 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter per second. This is the V. You have to find out X. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just solve it. Okay, just find out X value. What is formula? X can I write? H by 4 pi m del V. This is basically del V, not V. When look, V is basically this one. Del V is basically accurate up to this speed. Okay, so put the value 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34, 4 into 3.14, 9 into 10 to the power minus 31, and del V is 3 into 10 to the power minus 2. Is it clear? Any doubt regarding this part?
No, sir.
Okay, just calculate this one 2. So can I write 2 into 9, 18 into 1 by 54 into 10 to the power minus 34 plus 31 plus 2. So this value near or equals to, after calculations, 0.019. So can I write 1.9 into 10 to the power minus 2? Okay. Any doubt? This part is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So join for next meeting. Next meeting ID password same. Next meeting.